If Biden wins, will he really be in a position to get any ambitious drug pricing reforms through Congress?
Well, I think it's a great question. I think it really depends a lot on what the makeup of Congress looks like. Again, the House was likely to be Democrat, and they've proven, as they did earlier this year, that they can pass, I would argue, pretty onerous drug pricing legislation, which they did in fact do. But the question is, who controls the Senate? And even if the Democrats control the Senate, typically you need 60 votes to pass major legislation, and they may not have that. So in my mind, the question will be, what does the makeup of Congress look like? But I would say also don't discount the fact that the Biden administration, similar to how the Trump administration has acted, has a lot of authority without ever having to go to Congress. A piece of the Affordable Care Act that passed provides administrations with the authority to use demonstration authority to make changes. A lot of what President Trump has proposed is relying on that type of authority to make the kinds of changes that he wants in the name of a demonstration, but really having the force of something much bigger. So I would say even if the Senate remains Republican, I think it would require significant collaboration between the two parties to pass something. If it's a Democrat, that would change that calculus. But I would also say don't discount the fact that there is a lot of administrative authority resting within, for example, the Department of Health and Human Services that could be tapped into to make some of the changes if they're not able to get everything done through Congress.